Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Smoky Evening. Himansh Kohli's reaction on X, Neha Kakkar's wedding. Neha Kakkar and Himansh Kohli's relationship ended on a very bitter note and with mudslinging. Recently, Neha Kakkar got married to runner-up of rising star Rohanpreet Singh on 26 October. Neha Kakkar's ex-boyfriend Himansh Kohli has recently revealed his reaction on Neha Kakkar's wedding. Himansh Kohli and Neha Kakkar was in relationship for more than a year and they were supposed to get married. But suddenly the two stars mutually parted their ways. While Himansh is still a single man, Neha had been linked many people. Himansh has expressed his feelings about his ex-love getting married to someone else. Himansh has said in an interview that he is happy for Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet Singh. He has also added that he is happy that Neha has moved on in her life. He thinks it is great for Neha that she has successfully moved on from their ugly breakup and found the right man for her. Though Himansh has said that he is happy for Neha, there are some people who believe that is not true. People believe that Himansh is trying to be happy because of something Himansh has done recently. Well, recently Himansh has bought a new car for him, that too during Neha Kakkar's wedding. While people did not consider this as a mere coincidence and believes that Himansh is making himself happy with car. Himansh has bought a sports car from the brand Porsche and the car is an electrifying blue color. Himansh was spotted several times enjoying his ride in that car on the roads of Mumbai. Well, while many people think that Himansh bought the car to pacify himself, the truth is different. Actually, Himansh's birthday was on 3rd November and he thought 2020 is a dull year. He tried to make himself happy by gifting a car. Himansh has revealed that he has always been a fan of sports cars and is very much happy to buy himself a one. What do you think about this matter? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more updates.